Best deals. Refrigerator gadgets, like features and accessories, enhance the functionality and convenience of refrigerators, leading to better food preservation, storage, and overall user experience. They help in maintaining consistent low temperatures, extending shelf life, and offering smart features that simplify daily tasks. All the product links are given in the description. 1. Storage bag. It's food-safe materials, 100% non-toxic and BPA-free. It is safe to use for food storing, preserving the natural qualities of food for longer. Bags are great for storing coffee, candy, dried fruit, nuts, grains, beans, snacks, rice. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Covers. Made of food-grade transparent and healthy pay material, safe to use, not easy to tear, and durable. These elastic dish covers have elastic and retractable openings, which can be applied to bowls of different sizes and can cover the tops of bowls, plates and other containers. Can be also used for outdoor camping, picnic, barbecue, indoor food preservation to block dust. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Egg holder. Designed to store eggs efficiently while saving space. This egg storage box can accommodate up to 14 eggs, ensuring your fridge stays organized. The egg container is perfect for keeping your eggs secure and easily accessible, making it an essential egg organizer for fridge. Featuring a smart rolling design, this egg dispenser for fridge ensures your eggs roll forward automatically, allowing you to use the oldest eggs first. The egg container for fridge keeps your eggs fresh and easily accessible. This egg storage solution enhances convenience and efficiency in your kitchen. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Mat. Enhances the visual appeal of storage spaces. Textured surface prevents items from skidding. Ideal for shelf, drawer, kitchen table, bathroom and fridge. Waterproof and easy to clean, it shields surfaces from spills and stains, easy wipe clean maintenance. Odor and stains free, mildew and moisture free, waterproof. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Storage fridge boxes. Airtight containers for storage ensure that your food stays fresh longer. These kitchen storage containers set are perfect for meal prepping, and the Sprout Maker feature adds convenience for health-conscious individuals, made from high-quality plastic, making them durable and long-lasting. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Containers. Ideal for storing onions, avocados, lemons, oranges, tomatoes, grapes, strawberries and a variety of vegetables and fruits. You can even toss them into a backpack or tote bag for a quick vitamin boost. It can also help fruits and vegetables resist oxidation, so that those vitamins and minerals that are good for the body stay inside, and are not afraid of being lost over a long time. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Bottle holder. Easily slides onto refrigerator shelf for visible storage of your favorite wine bottles. Rack keeps bottles slightly tilted so the cork doesn't dry out, allows wine to stay fresh for an extended period of time. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Fridge storage divider. Made of safe plastic, very smooth, and will not cut your hands when used. The fridge divider clips is durable and will last a long time. You can adjust the size and length of the space as you like. It is also very easy to clean, with water or a sponge. Product link is given in the 8th link. 9. Storage container. Conveniently transport the box from fridge to table, or pantry to counter with its sturdy built-in handle. Maximize fridge or pantry space by securely stacking multiple boxes without creating clutter. Lightweight yet sturdy, made from BPA-free plastic for safe and long-lasting kitchen use. Product link is given in the 9th link. 10. Bottle. Material made from plastic, eco-friendly, with good quality. Can be folded into small shape, portable and easy to take. Perfect for outdoor sports, like hiking, camping, fishing and cycling. Each bottle has a hanging clasp, idea to hang on your bag, waist belt. Lightweight and foldable water bottles for travel that can be packed easily into your backpack or suitcase. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Fridge storage boxes have been designed with a kitchen storage rack feature, ideal for maximizing space and creating an organized environment in your kitchen. An essential kitchen organizer item and storage solution. Useful for storing sachets, seasoning sauce packets neatly and other small objects neatly. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Bag. Keeps the fruits and vegetables fresh and reduces food wastage by extending the shelf life of perishable items. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Herb Saver Pod. Can maintain the humidity of the herbs and ensures the quality of the herbs. Herb Saver Pod keeps your tasty herbs and greens fresh and crisp. Keeps the smell of the herbs separate from the rest of the fridge. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Silicone Ice Cube Molds. Molds are very practical and lightweight. Pour half the water into the cup when making. Only takes 3 seconds to complete the water injection, saving time. Then insert it into the silicone cup. Gently press the bottom of the lid to expel the air, and put it in the refrigerator for a few hours. The ice cups for freezer can help you effectively make many ice cubes for daily or parties. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Water Bottle Holder. With the special design, you can stack these bottle holders vertically, placed side by side to create an appearance of a whole piece. Depending on your space available, move around each piece as needed, stack them high, or just lay out one level. Perfect for space utilization in the freezer, cabinets, pantry, kitchen countertops. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Ziploc Bags. These bags are made from PE, BPA-free, no toxic, durable and reusable. BPA-free helps preserve food for longer, which could be washable and refrigerated. Stand-up design with frosted transparent window. It is very beautiful, of very good quality and very resistant in them. You can store meals and put them in the freezer, and kids can use them to carry cookies, chips and fruit to take to school. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Silicone Stretch Lids. Made of high-quality stretchable material, food lids cover are easy to fit into most bowls, jars, containers, cups, mugs, cans, jars, and you can even use them to cover your half-cut fruits like melon or watermelon. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Bag Clips. Keep your snacks, chips, and pantry items fresh with these durable plastic bag sealers designed for airtight storage. Made from heavy-duty plastic, these reusable bag clips are built for long-lasting kitchen storage solutions. Product link is given in the 18th link. 19. Storage Boxes. Can be used for storing vegetables, fruits, meat, fish, leftover food etc. Or can be used to store dry ingredients in the kitchen in the storing racks. Fridge Organizer Lid prevent from various odor in the refrigerator. Containers helps in the organizing the fridge, giving a lot of space to keep other items. Reuse this fridge side storage rack to store other items in the kitchen, and it is also very easy to clean. Product link is given in the 19th link.